Hi everyone, we have started unit number 11, the environment. What is an environment? Environment is our surroundings and it is made up of man-made things as well as natural things. In our previous class, we read page number 77 and 78. On that page, we discussed the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. And then we discussed page number 79. And today we are going to read page number 80. Forests are one of the most common and important natural resources on earth. A forest is a land area that has many trees. So what is a forest? A forest is a land area that has many trees. Have you seen any forest? Now, trees produce fruit we eat and oxygen we breathe. So why forests and trees are important? Because they provide us fruits and oxygen. And you all know that we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So plants and trees are very important for us, for humans, for animals. Now, why these are important for animals? Animals and birds make homes on trees. So, trees are also important for animals and birds because they make homes on trees. Roots keep the ground moist. So, trees are also very important for our ground, for our soil because it keeps the ground moist. These roots are in the soil, in the ground, and they keep the soil moist. We get wood from forests which is used to make paper, furniture and homes. So another use of trees and forest is that we get wood from it. The trees produce oxygen that all living things need. Forests are home to many animals and plants.
Trees and their uses. Trees are the main source of oxygen. Trees clean air pollutant and dust. Trees reduces soil erosion, which prevent flooding. Trees provides shade and shelter for many animals and insects. Trees gives us food, wood, medicine and many other things. Trees absorb and store rainwater. Fallen leaves of trees are the compost that enriches soil. Many animals, including elephants, eat leaves for nourishment. There are wide variety of commercial use of trees.
Sometimes forests or wide areas of trees are cut down. This is called deforestation. So when we need wood from trees, we cut down trees and this is called deforestation. Deforestation is a problem for humans and other animals. Animal homes are destroyed due to it. The ground becomes dry and nothing can grow. So when we cut trees, it is bad for environment, it is not good for animals and humans also because animal homes are destroyed, they cannot make their nests on it, they cannot feed their babies in nests. So trees are also very important for birds and animals. The ground becomes dry because the roots keep the ground moist. So when there are no trees, the ground becomes dry and nothing can grow on it. And when there are less trees, we cannot get enough oxygen and it is not good for our environment. So we should discourage deforestation
and plant more trees.